See, submissions were twofold. Number one, we gave the direct involvement of Kejriwal sahab. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, right from day one, it has now emerged that he was the main person who was controlling the entire excise policy. The entire fruits also of the entire excise policy, fruits I mean to say the bribes and everything included, were disbursed as per the wishes of Mr. Kejriwal. Mr. Kejriwal, it has also emerged, is solely responsible for influencing the entire policy vis-a-vis the officers or through his ministers. We also have now come across proof of his trying to, influence even the existing players through Punjab. Then he is also instrumental in influencing the Chief Minister of Punjab in not giving, or the government of Punjab not giving sanction or permission under 17A to prosecute some important officers of the state. Then we also came across that after his arrest, not only some of the officers came forward and gave 164 statement, it also emerged that a lot of people in Goa came forward to give statement against Mr. Kejriwal with regard to the spending of that money which had come to Goa, which is about 44 crores. How that money was to be spent, who spent the money and whose directions. It was Mr. Arvind Kejriwal who was solely responsible of how much money will be spent by which candidate, how much money will be spent in the canvassing, in election related expenses. We have also a statement where the candidate said that he categorically said कि आप इलेक्शन लड़िए, पैसे की चिंता मत करिए. So therefore, to say that there is a hearsay statement, everything that was said in the court today is based on actual oral and documentary evidence. Nothing is presumption in this case. The case is as clear as it can get. We have also tried to tell the court that this man will influence the trial also, because there are a lot of witnesses which are either from his party or officers who will then again be influenced by them or under fear of Mr. Kejriwal and the party will not be able to depose freely.